Hi, and welcome to another episode of Know Your Hair by HADDAI. In this episode, I'm going to talk to you about nano ring extensions. Now, nano extensions are a fairly newer method compared to the popular or the micro ring method which was used in the past. Some people still use it today, but the thing with micro ring extensions is that they're a bit uncomfortable to have been installed in your hair, and anyone who touches your head can feel it, and even for the wearer it is an uncomfortable process. So the nano ring is like the newer method. It is like this, which has like a sort of a little pin here at top, on the top like this. This is the hair. This is 100% human hair. This is a natural straight hair. It's color number 1, black, and it's about 26 inches long, as you can see. And these are the clips on the top of the extension. It's a nano ring. And the nano rings compared to the micro rings are very small. It's larger than a mustard seed, but it's very small and undetectable. The main thing in these extensions is the comfort factor. It's not uncomfortable like the micro ring. And also the refixing time is, you can extend the refixing time a little longer than you would do with tape extensions. Now in tape-in extensions, as we discussed, the refixing time would be probably 3 months or so. And with nano rings, you can go for 4 to 6 months. We always have a consultation with you before we install any type of hair extensions, because these extensions need to match your own hair. You will see in the clip that we've done that the nano rings match 100% to the client's own hair, because that's the way that it's totally undetectable. You will get a seamless kind of look when the extensions are matched to your own hair. But example, let's say if you're somebody who with curly hair who wants to go in for straight hair extensions, then you need to straighten your hair before you have the extensions installed. We do that here at HADDAI as well. And whenever you go in for a consult with your hair technician, we always advise you to speak about your concerns, your lifestyle, the comfort factor. Are you somebody who wants something that is seamless, comfortable, you don't even know it's installed in your hair? So the two methods most popular for something like that are tape-in and nano extensions and loop extensions. I will cover that in another episode. So in nano extensions as well, you get hair that you need to match it to the hair color. Example, if yours is a dark black or you're coloring your hair, ideally you should match the nano extensions to your hair color as well, and also the texture. Like I said, if it's straight, it should be straight hair. If it's curly, we have about 6 types of curls, like jerry hair, kinky curly, water wave, deep wave. There are so many of them. So it's better to get into a 100% match of your own hair and color before you have your extensions installed. The other thing is, in the maintenance, always use an extension brush. We at HADDAI, we give you a maintenance a leaflet where you can take it home and follow up the guidelines. I will also do a video. I think I've already done a video about that, so you can look into that and see. It's generally for all types of extensions. So once you have your extensions, nano ring or any other type of extension installed, take care to maintain it well so that your tresses are looking lovely, bouncy. It's good to the touch, looks and feels fabulous. So all these come along with the type of extension that you have got installed, the technician who has done the installation for you, because that is also very important, because you need to go with the type of not only suitable hair, also the volume and length of hair. It should be suitable, and there shouldn't be any from the outside, no one should be able to see that you have extensions installed. The idea is to have your hair in 2 hours, but it will look as if you've done something and your hair has suddenly grown. So that is the look we always try to get at HADDAI. So there isn't any thing from the outside, or if somebody touches your hair, where they'll be able to say, or if it blows to the wind. Again, there are certain guidelines to follow, example when you're going swimming. But these extensions we do at HADDAI have no lifestyle limitations. You can go ahead and go to the gym. You can comb it, wash it, style it, color it any way you want. Again, get Remy hair extensions and good quality hair like 9A say 9A, 10A, 11A or 12A grade hair. So look, in the previous videos we have discussed all this, so I hope you will, the next time you go to meet your hair technician, you'll be more knowledgeable about these things. If there's anything you want to ask us, please feel free to contact us. We also give you a consultation before installation of extensions or any hair replacement system for that matter. So always feel free to contact us and leave your comments, and we will get back to you. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. Until we meet again, stay blessed. Bye.